Millie and Moony. My budgie girls. It's gone right quiet now. Millie, Moony!
Marshall versus Channel. Oh, shit.
Millie, Moony!
That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
I mean, can you believe my great idea? I think I did great. Really great.
Hi.
I mean, seriously. Let's go out.
Hi. Hello.
Can you write all right? Cheater. Couple. Cheater. Tell me when. Tell me when. Okay, here we go. Right. Now. Oh my God. The name. You like it? Oh, totally. Can we afford it? You just let me worry about the money, honey. Okay, well, shit, now let's start that box. Not this week. I think I think we both deserve a vacation in Key West.
Excuse the noises, we're watching a film and it's called I Love You, Philip Morris. It's about, it's Jim Carrey, it's supposed to be funny, but it is quite funny. He's in prison and he's gay, and that's his boyfriend. Not, yeah, there you go.
With Philip, I felt strong. I felt invincible. I promised myself that he would never want for anything ever again. That meant I needed a real job, something dependable,
My chandelier,
and no more scams.
my black net, not everybody's place. There you go. That's my living room. Just waiting for that piece under the fire to be done because I've just had that fire put in.
I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
And that fish tank is my fish tank, which will be black.
Yeah, I mean, I never did get out there.
And that, and all the rest of it. And that rug is a zebra rug from America.
That's all the past now. Better even think about it now. Come on inside. Spaceman, huh? Yeah.
Quick view of my
Hey, crap up
room.
there. Jackie, let's see.
Enjoy.
All right, let's hear about you.